and safe at home. Today we are going to see mathematics. In the last YouTube class we learned chapter 2, exercise 2.5, part 2. Part 1 we saw, that is A and B, and today we are going to see exercise 2.5, part 2, C and D. C and D. Okay children, see here we are going to see find the number which is. If you have book, all of it take to page number 38 so that you can identify. Okay children, so the C1, find the number which is. Okay, first in A and B what we learned? Sum. Sum means what I said, we have the answers that we get by adding the numbers. And then difference we saw. The difference is what? The answers that we get by subtracting the two numbers. So addition and subtraction we saw, but here little different children. I hope you all have completed all have written in the maths notebook. Children, don't waste the time. You copy down. You buy the notebooks soon and you have to copy down. Okay children. Now find the number which is 563 more than 8,978. See, more than means what children you have to do? What you have to do? You have to add. What you have to do children? You have to add the numbers. You have to read, see, 563 more than 8,978. More than means what you have to do children? You have to add. So while writing, can we write this one first children? No, you have to write the bigger number. So 8,978 plus 563. See here only 3-digit children. So what you have to do? You have to start from the ones column 563. So while adding what will come children? 8 plus 3, 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 we have to put and 1 carry over here. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 we have to put here and 1 carry over here. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So 1 you have to bring up here. So 1 plus 8, 9. Because here no number, isn't it? 1 plus 8, 9. So what's the answer children? 9,541. So while writing the answer, you have to write like this. 9,541. If you don't write the steps means I will minus 1 mark. Simply you should not write only in class test and then many of them have done like that. So 9,541 is 563. You have to write this. You have to write as it is. 9,541 is 563 more than 8,978. And you have to keep full stop. Understood children? See, 9,541 is 563 more than 8,978. So when you add these two numbers, we get this number. Understood children? So this is more than. Okay, you have to write the steps correctly like this. Only you have to write this both. 9,541 is. The other things you can copy down from the question itself. So it will be very easy. Okay children, can we see the second sum? Okay. 2,053 more than 10,615. 2,053 more than 10,615. So here also more than is there. So what you have to do children? You have to add. So 10,615 plus, here 4 digit is here, 2,053. 2,053. Okay, so we have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 2, 0. When in addition, when it's added by 0 means the same number will come. Okay children, note. 0 plus 2, 2. Mistakenly I told 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Okay children, and here no number. So you have to bring down this one as it is. Okay. Now what's the answer children? 12,668. 12,668. So while writing the answer, what do you have to write children? 12,668. Yes. And then what you have to do children? You have to write this question. 2053 more than 10,615. Okay children? Understood? See, 12,668 is 2053 more than 10,615. Okay, now we'll see the third sum. Okay children? Okay children, third sum, 3,715 less than. First two sum we saw more than, isn't it children? For more than we added the sums, isn't it? Here less than 10,000, 1,138 is there. So what you have to do children? Okay children, 3,750 less than 10,113. Mistakenly I told 1 lakh, isn't it? So 10,113. So less than means what you have to do children? You have to subtract. More than means what we did? We added the sums. For less than what we have to do? We have to subtract the sums. So while writing what? We should not write this smaller number first. Always we have to write the greater number. Okay children? So we have to write 10,113 first. So listen carefully. 10,113 subtracted is minus 3,715. So here no number. If you for your understanding you can put into mark. Okay children? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract. So here smaller number is there. So what you have to do children? You have to borrow from the previous number. So this 1 will become 0 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5. After 5 you count up to 13 children. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what will come? 8. Okay. Now here 0 is here. Here 1 is there. Can you subtract 1 from 0? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number. So this 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. This 0 will become 10. Okay children. Now 10 minus 1, 9. Again see here 0, smaller number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from previous number. Here what number is given here? 0 is here. So from 0 can you borrow children? No, you can't borrow from 0. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number. So this 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. And now what you can do? Now you can borrow. Isn't it? Only you can't borrow from 0. Now 10 is there. So this 10 will become 9 and now this 0 will become 10. Understood children? Like this hard sums and all, what you have to do? You have to practice at home. If you practice means it will be very easy for you. 10 minus 7, 3. And then 9, after 3 you count up to 9 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. So here 0 is there, so you can put 0. So while writing the answer, what you have to write children? No need to write 0. 6,398 is, you have to write this question like as it is. 3,715 less than, you should not write more than, less than 10,113. Understood children? Okay, 6,398 is 3,715 less than 10,113. Means what? It's the small, when you subtract this both the number we get this answer. Understood children? So the answer should be correct. You have to write this step also. When I ask, you have to write this step also. Okay? And the fourth sum is for your homework. Homework fourth sum 798 less than 5663. This is for your homework. In book around 6 to 7 sums are there. I have taught only 3 and I gave 1 for homework. Rest of the sums what you can do children, when you have time you can practice at home in your rough notebook. Okay children? Okay. Now we will see the D1. Okay children, now we will see the D1. What should be added to? What should be added to 1672 to get 3400? So to get 3400, what number should be added to 1672? So what you have to do children? See, all of them will be thinking added means you have to add. No. You have to read the question properly. What should be added to 1672 to get 3400 means what you have to do? You have to subtract. What you have to do children? You have to subtract. Always you have to write a greater number first. So what number is greater? 3400. 3400 minus 1672. Okay children, what we have to do? We have to subtract. So we can't subtract, see here smaller number, isn't it? From greater number to smaller number we can't subtract. So you have to borrow from the previous number. But here also the previous number is 0. Can you borrow children? No, you can't borrow. So what you have to do? You have to see the next previous number. So here 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So okay. Now here in tens column 10 is there. Now can you borrow children? Yes, you can borrow. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay children. So 10 minus 2, 8 and 9 minus 7, 2. See, always you should not use finger. You can do the sums on your mind also. Okay children. And see here now 3 is here, here 6. Can you subtract children? No. So you have to borrow from the previous number. So here 3 becomes 2 and this 3 will become 13. So after 6 you count up to 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7. And 2 minus 1, 1. So what children? When you have to add 1728 to 1672 means you will get this number. When you add this both the number, you will get 3400. So if you want to know whether it's correct or not, what you can do children? You can do like this also. See, 1728 plus 1672. We have did before, isn't it children? We have did this sums before also. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Is it correct children? Yes. See, when you add 1728 to 1672 means we get 3400. Now this sum is correct. You can check it. Okay children. So for answer what you have to write? 1728 should be added. Should be. See here itself the question is there. What should be added itself. So you have to write this answer and you have to write should be added to 1672 to get 3400. Okay children, understood what? 1728 should be added to 1672 to get 3400. Okay children, shall we move on to the second sum? Okay, now here 978 to get 9780. Question is here, see what should be added to 978 to get 9780. So what you have to do children? You have to subtract. So 9780 minus 978. So what you have to do, children? You have to subtract. See here, smaller number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number. This 8 will become 7 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. And again you have to borrow because here smaller number. So this 9 will become 8 and this 7 will become 17. So after 9 we count up to 17, children. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what's the answer? 8. And then you have to bring down this 8 as it is. So what's the answer, children? 8802. Now this 8802, if you add it to 978, you will get 9780. So you have to find out this answer is correct. So what you can do? 8802. Now what you have to do, children? You have to add. You should not subtract. Plus 978. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 7, 8. And 8 plus 9, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 8 plus 1, 9. See, is it correct, children? Yes, the sum is correct. So what you have to write the answer? 8802 should be added. Should be added to 978 to get 9780. Understood, children? Once again I will read. 8802 should be added to 978 to get 9780. Okay, children, we'll see the third sum. We'll see the third sum. Okay. See, what should be added to 2783 to get 4511? So first what you have to do, children? We have to subtract. Always we have to write the greater number first. And see here 2783. So what you have to do, children? We have to subtract. So what you have to do is smaller number. So you have to borrow from the previous number. This one will become 0 and this one will become 11. So 11 must, after 3 you count up to 11, children. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8. So here 0 is there. You can't subtract. So you have to borrow. So here 4 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. And here again smaller number. So you have to borrow from this previous number. This 4 will become 3 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 7, 7 and 3 minus 2, 1. So what's the answer, children? 1728. So to check the answer, what you have to do? You have to add 1728 plus 2783. So 8 plus 3 what, children? 11. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. See, now the answer is correct, isn't it? So we have to do like this only. So what's the answer, children? What you have to write? 1728 should be added. Should be added to 2783 to get 4511. Understood, children? So 1728 should be added to 2783 to get 4511. Okay children, in this one 3 sums I have taught and I have given 4th sum homework. 4th sum as homework children. See 897 to get 8970. See question is what should be added to 897 to get 8970. So only 2 sums I gave children. Only 2 sums I gave. Only few are sending. I don't know why. Only around 10 to 15 students are sending. Others are not sending. You are going to be the loser. If you practice, it will be easy for you. But no one is sending me the homework. So 2 sums only I am giving. I am not giving 10 or 20 sums for homework. Around 4 sums, 5 sums or 2 sums like that only I am giving. So kindly do this homework sums and send it to my WhatsApp. Okay children, all of you get your books soon so that you can copy down all the chapters easily. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Now chapter 2 has been over and then we are going to see the new chapter multiplication in the next class. Okay children, take care, bye.